What companies consistently hire remote workers? Today, we'll explore online resources to identify companies known for hiring remote workers globally. And the good news is, there are tons of resources online to help you find the perfect opportunity. Let's take a closer look at these websites. Websites like weworkremotely.com and remoters.net are like the gold standards of remote job boards, offering a wide range of positions across different industries. FlexJobs, your curated remote work matchmaker. If you're looking for a more personalized approach, FlexJobs stands out. They curate a list of remote and flexible work opportunities, so you know the postings you see have been carefully selected. But that's not all. There are even more specialized platforms out there. RemoteOK. This website is laser-focused on remote positions, giving you a curated list of jobs across various industries, all with the convenience of remote work. Just Remote. Looking for a user-friendly interface with great search filters? Just Remote has you covered. This platform streamlines your job search for remote opportunities. While many remote jobs are in tech, Virtual Vocations caters to a broader audience. They also include freelance and contract positions, letting you explore diverse remote work options. Pongian focuses on remote work opportunities specifically within Europe, with a strong presence in tech and creative fields. Digital Nomads. Rejoice. Working nomads is a dream come true for those who crave location flexibility while working remotely. They list opportunities that allow you to work from anywhere in the world. Of course, there are even more options. Jobspresso offers a global selection across industries, while Europe Remotely caters specifically to European tech and startup companies. Finally, Remotive and Himalayas target remote work opportunities in tech and creative fields and offer ways to connect highly skilled remote workers from around the globe with companies looking for talent. So, the next time you're looking for a remote job, remember, there's a whole online world waiting to help you find the perfect work from anywhere opportunity. Remote job boards like We Work Remotely or Remoters are fantastic starting points. They offer a wide variety of remote positions across different industries, just like the classic job boards you might be familiar with. But what if you're looking for something a little more specific? Let's go beyond the boards. Here's where things get interesting. Social media isn't just for cat videos anymore. Platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter can be powerful tools for your remote job search. LinkedIn lets you use their search filters to find remote positions and connect with recruiters specializing in remote work. Feeling more social? Twitter allows you to follow relevant hashtags like #remotework and #globaljobs. Engage with these communities, participate in discussions, and who knows, you might just connect with your future employer. Search for groups dedicated to remote work or specific industries you're interested in. These groups often share job postings, career advice, and networking opportunities for remote workers in Facebook groups. AngelList connects startups with talent, a great resource for finding remote opportunities in innovative companies. Research startups with a strong remote work culture and apply for positions or reach out to hiring managers directly. Identifying promising opportunities beyond job boards. Don't forget about company blogs and social media pages. Many companies with a strong remote work culture advertise remote positions on their own platforms. Following these companies allows you to stay updated on industry trends and potential job openings. Building your remote work arsenal. The more you put yourself out there, the better. Consider building a strong online presence through your own website or portfolio, showcasing your skills and experience. This can make you a more attractive candidate for potential employers when searching for remote work. Invest in AI skills while searching for remote jobs. AI is rapidly transforming various industries, and the demand for skilled AI professionals is surging. This translates to more remote job opportunities in areas like machine learning, data science, AI development, and AI-powered applications. Competitive advantage. Having AI skills on your resume sets you apart from other applicants. Employers seeking remote talent will likely prioritize candidates who can contribute to their AI initiatives. Remote-friendly field. AI is a field well-suited for remote work. Many AI jobs involve tasks like data analysis, model development, and research, which can be effectively done remotely. Broader opportunities. Having AI skills opens doors to a wider range of remote jobs. You can work in areas like healthcare, finance, marketing, and customer service, all of which are increasingly leveraging AI. Future-proofing your career. AI is a rapidly evolving field with a promising future. Investing in these skills can future-proof your career and ensure you're relevant in the ever-changing job market, especially for remote opportunities. The specific AI skills in demand will vary depending on the industry and role. Researching the types of remote jobs you're interested in can help you identify the most relevant skills to focus on. There are numerous online resources available to learn AI skills, including courses, tutorials, and certifications. For example, at DataCamp, you can learn the data and AI skills you need online at your own pace, from non-coding essentials to data science, AI, and machine learning. You can start learning for free. More information can be found in the description box below. Even basic AI knowledge can be beneficial. Even if you don't become an AI expert, having a foundational understanding of the technology can make you a more valuable candidate for remote work positions. Overall, investing in AI skills is a strategic move for anyone seeking remote work opportunities. It can give you a competitive edge, open doors to exciting new career paths, and ensure your skills remain relevant in the future of work. With the resources mentioned today, you have almost everything you need to begin your remote work job search. Here is just one last step to consider. In the description box below, you will find a comprehensive 50-page digital job search tracker to take your search to the next level. This digital tracker is your secret weapon for landing your dream remote job. It keeps you organized with sections to track applications, see your progress, nail interviews, and stay on top of follow-ups. This comprehensive tool, combined with the resources you learned about today, equips you to conquer your remote job search. Remote job boards are a great starting point, but your search doesn't have to end there. By combining these additional strategies like social media, company websites, and building your online presence, you can create a comprehensive remote work job search strategy and open doors to exciting global opportunities. So grab your laptop, embrace the freedom of remote work, and start your adventure. And that's it for today. Don't forget to check out the description box with the links to all information you need to find your remote job. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.